Michael Jackson's daughter just had a judge have the lawyers hand over $625,000 in her father's estate. Paris Jackson, the daughter of Michael Jackson, sued the executor of her father's estate. So first of all, what is an executor? An executor who is the one who has the responsibility of administering and managing an estate. So I'm an attorney in Illinois, and this conversation is just for entertainment purposes, so don't consider this legal advice. But here in Illinois, we have executors, and that's commonplace in commonplace in the United States. An executor is someone who has the responsibility of managing an estate. They pay the debts, they make sure assets are collected, and they disperse funds. An executor can be paid for the work that they do, even in large million-dollar estates such as Michael Jackson. But Paris Jackson said $625,000 was way too much. Paris Jackson said the executor of her father's estate had been paid over $120 million. Yes, you heard me right, $120 million. So why was Paris Jackson able to receive $650,000 of that back? Paris Jackson says the executors of her father's estate received over $120 million. Yep, you heard me right, $120 million. So how did Paris Jackson get $625,000 of that back? Glad you asked. They took an estate and made millions, meaning they took the asset of the Michael Jackson estate and they've created profit. For example, think of the Michael Jackson movie. The executor said when they took over the estate was over $500 million in debt. Yep, $500 million. So they said they made so much money that they were entitled to $120 million. Do you think Paris was happy? Absolutely not.